Salam everyone, welcome to Mama Loop channel. Today we are making low carb cream cheese chaffles. Let's make it. In a bowl, add 10 eggs, 1 tablespoon yeast. Yeast is optional. Half teaspoon baking powder, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, pinch of salt, a few drops of stevia or sweetener of your choice, 8 ounces of cream cheese, 2 tablespoons coconut flour, 1 cup blanched almond flour. Mix all the ingredients. Blend it. Preheat waffle maker. Spray waffle maker with avocado oil. Spread 1/4 cup of the mixture onto the waffle maker. Close and cook for 3 to 4 minutes until light golden brown. Use a fork to remove the chaffle. Cool on a plate. You can store in an airtight container in the fridge for a week. Top with sugar-free maple syrup or chocolate syrup. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.